Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to confederate other factions. So, one note, you can only confederate factions of the same race as you are. So for example, me as Tolgrim can only confederate other dwarves, like Zufbar or Barakwar. And how do you actually confederate them? Well, for dwarves you only have one option, and that's by diplomacy. To be confederated, this number needs to be in positive. And there are many factors that are considered. So for example, your strength, and which is here, your strength ranking. It needs to be higher than theirs. Also, you need to have good relationships. And other stuff. It's really complicated, but basically be good friend with them, be stronger than them, and they will confederate. And for the dwarves, there is actually another method. With the new update, you get the Great Book of Drudges, and you have here Legendary Lords, which you can use your grudges settled to confederate other Legendary Lords. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed and that this helped you, and I will see you later. Bye.